Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to turn Find My phone on from another device. First of all, open Find My, tap on Me to the bottom right corner, scroll down, tap on Help a Friend and log in here with your Apple ID. Now tap on the device which you want to find. And then here you will get the phone current location. You can play sound by tapping on play sound, and also you can erase the phone by tapping on this button here, and it will be dangerous because if you tap on that, all of data will be deleted. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.